876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Ladies and gentlemen, whilst the judges decide, let me just remind you of how the scoring goes. So there is style, there is scored out of 60 for that, and that's with a lot of smoke and how comfortable the drifter looks controlling the car, as well as the impact of the driver on the crowd. Then you have transition, and that is how fluent the driver moves from one zone to the other with the least amount of braking. And then you have angle or line, and that is the drifter follows the line, which is to stay in the zone and hang the car to the most angle as possible without spinning out. So if it's cost and such, so I just want to remind you how the scoring is taking place, alright? Awesome.
So how does it feel to be competing in this particular event?
Well, it's the first official high-speed drift event in Jamaica. I mean, definitely a good feeling for me, and I'd say for the racing fraternity. Seeing that I was the first driver to represent Jamaica in a high-speed drift event in Saudi Arabia.
Good job. Big up my man. All the way from Jamaica. Oh man. One. Ah!
To see us moving in that direction, or the sport in Jamaica moving in that direction, is definitely a good feeling for me. The catch to this competition, we all know it's the first high-speed drift event in Jamaica, but the catch to it is the cash prizes, you know. It's the first we have getting a payday this big, you know. The promoters of the drift option have over $1 million in cash prizes, so I mean, definitely happy about that, you know. Yeah. Well, the strategy for today, it's 2 segments for today. We've just completed the first segment of the day. Mission accomplished. We came here to win that segment, so we write that off, and now we're on a clean pace. We're running a 1986 Toyota Corolla. You know, it's the famous A86 worldwide. We have a 4AG engine in it. It's a 20 valve. naturally aspirated. It's fully built. I mean, proper chocker body, proper exhaust, proper oiling system, you know. We're running a 6-speed sequential box, and that's pretty much it. So we just finished the Dexterity, which is the time segment of today. I mean, we're moving into the high speed, the second part of the event now, which would be the higher speed, the high speed drifting. That's where we're moving to now. So stay tuned and we'll keep you guys updated.
How do you prepare mentally and physically for a big competition like this, especially with such a big cash payout?
Well, the cash is just extra incentive or something to work harder too. But separate aside from the cash, I mean, I've been racing, I can't even say when. I've been racing a long time, and the mental part of it, I'd say it doesn't bother me. I have a good family, I have a good team behind me, and also the sponsors nonetheless. So the mental part of it, we know the driver has the ability, so we're not worrying about that. My car is at a disadvantage for the event because based on the criteria the judges are looking for, but nonetheless we have a car and we are grateful, and we're going out there with that same car to fight till the end, and obviously the aim is to win it even though we're at a disadvantage. So we want to win that and we plan to win it. So let's see how it plays against the guys with the big steering angle and the big high horsepower engines, you know? Yeah.
Are there any key corners or sections of the track you're focusing on?
Not at this point because we haven't walked the track as yet. There's a layout that's been going around where we know, but I haven't been on the track and hear the final say or the final course.
Have you faced any challenges in the lead up to this event?
One thing I can highlight, the car on our last outing, the skate event in Trelawney that you guys captured. The car, we had a mishap with the steering. We had a broken steering adapter, which caused the car to run off track. We suffered some front end damage. We got the parts replaced and the panels repaired, but it was just to find back the sweet spot with the alignment and the cast and the camber, and you know. So I'd say just to get the car back to where it was would be our main thing, and it wasn't hard. We had some chassis damage as well. We had to pull it out maybe a few inches, but nonetheless it's almost there.
Challenging drift so far, and how did you overcome it?
I don't think I have an answer for that, because I mean we are one to break down obstacles / challenges, you know. Tandem, and based on information from the promoter, the style that they hope to achieve for today will be a little different, would be the first of this kind. I mean, I wouldn't call what me and Kota do every event where we follow each other tandem. Some people would say it's tandem, but I wouldn't call that. But this style, we're copying the level of the United States and Europe. So it's the Drift Masters and the Formula Drift.
It's the final of Drift Masters, round 4. Dean versus Fiancek. Here we go.
Dean goes to the inside to shortcut the circuit, transitions at the same time.
As Dean climbs up onto the door and said, not today, Fiancek. There's nothing more in the tank. There's nothing more you can ask from the sport than runs like this.
Who is going to take it? Who's going to be the king of Riga? Who's going to win round 4 of the Drift Masters European Championship? David's in.
It's Peter Fiancek. Fiancek gets the win. He can barely believe it.
It was such a pleasure to be here, also to meet you guys and meet wonderful people from Jamaica. You're driving excellent. Cannot wait to see you on the track in tandem battles, in Drift Masters, baby. And all cheers to 876 squad. Take care, guys.
That's what we are trying here in Jamaica today. We've never done it. I've never done it. So, but I mean, we have an open mind, and I believe that if they can do it, we can do it. I like to go fast, so definitely the more flowing corner is what I enjoy the most, because we are able to get up to speed, higher speed than as opposed to a tighter corner.
Modifications that give you an edge on the track?
I wouldn't say a specific modification. I'd say it's a combination of things. Basically, you know, the soup mix, right?
Yeah, boy.
you know?
Yeah.
So, I mean, everything is working together, and that's how we are able to keep the car winning. Well, for this event, we're running no suspension changes. We're running a 36-way adjustable coilovers right around, and for tires, we're using the Tire Warehouse branded tires for this event. Big up Tire Warehouse, they are sponsors of the event, and we want them to push and keep on supporting the events like these and all the drifters, because we support them 100%. I mean, for an event like this, we blow at least 6 to 10 tires depending on how much we drive, you know. So it's a genre that is dependent on tires, so I want to big them up. But before we go, I also want to big up all my sponsors. We want to welcome the new sponsor, Bearings and Accessory, alongside Q8 Oils. They are our newest sponsors, and we want to big up the sponsors who have been here with us from day one. The Bun Ice Cream, the Sprint Express JA, the 876 Street, the Riches, Haulage, the Keys, Wrecking, you know, the Yellow Hardware, the Life Call Ambulance Services. We want to big up everybody. We also want to big up all the mechanics who is a part of the team and is a major part of us getting here. We want to big up everybody.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.